Hi, I'm Scott White, CEO of PragmatIC Semiconductor. I co-founded PragmatIC with Richard Price in 2010, so we've actually just had our 10th birthday at the start of December. What we do is we make flexible integrated circuits called PlexICs. These are thinner than a human hair and also an order of magnitude lower cost than silicon chips. Our main business model is offering a foundry service for our customers to allow them to very quickly and easily design new PlexICs. But we also have our own Connectic branded products on radio frequency identification, RFID, and near field communications, NFC. So these allow item level traceability of very high volume items. The types of end user verticals we focus on for these products include healthcare and medical, retail and fast moving consumer goods, toys and games, and security. Our main disruption is what we call our FlexLogic Fab in a Box. This is a fully automated, self-contained fabrication line for making our PlexICs. Compared to a silicon fab, this is several orders of magnitude lower cost, both in capital and ongoing production cost. And it's also over 100 times more environmentally friendly, as well as having a production cycle time that's measured in days rather than months. In terms of the benefits of our products, our Connected product line allows proven RFID use cases to be extended into a much wider range of items. Beyond that, our foundry service allows innovative customers to create very unique electronic products in form factors and at cost points that are inconceivable with conventional silicon. In terms of our current status, we have our first FlexLogic fab line fully operational in the northeast of England. That has nominal capacity for up to 1 billion PlexICs, but we're already having to plan our next line based on customer demand. So we've started selling product already and are scaling commercial sales based on very strong engagement with top tier customers and ecosystem partners. In fact, when we launched our first RFID products, we sold over 20 million within the first 2 months. In terms of what's coming next, I mentioned that we're planning our next line already. We expect to start construction of that in 2021 for completion in 2022. And this is on the path to something like 100 fabs over the next decade, with a vision to embed our technology in at least 1 trillion smart objects by 2030. In terms of the goal of the company, I've actually built and sold 5 previous companies. So the objective with PragmatIC is not to just sell it as quickly as possible, but rather to build a long-term, sustainable, multi-billion-pound business. Most likely that means an IPO at some point, but we have no specific timelines or objectives for achieving that. The Bessemer Society has been a really interesting adjunct to what we've been doing in the last few years. Networking is always really important to learn from and share experiences with others. But Bessemer is quite unique in its focus on manufacturing rather than software or purely knowledge-based businesses. So from my perspective, it's a great forum to share ideas about challenges specific to actually making stuff.